What up guys, Gadget Pinoy here, and today we're going to review a mini projector, the HY300 Pro, and thank you to AliExpress to sending this to review, and let's see what's inside the box. So when you open it, you'll find the HY300 Pro mini projector itself. This is a super budget friendly options. This projector will not break your bank, so it's a good option to buy it. And there's also a small box containing a user manual guide and a remote control for navigating the projector. Just a heads up, batteries are not included, so you'll need to buy those separately. And finally, you'll find a power adapter. So this projector is not battery powered, so you always need to plug it when you use it. And basically, that's everything you get inside the box. Next, we're going to set up the projector. As you can see, I'm putting the batteries into the remote control. Make sure they're new ones so it functions properly. The next step is to plug into the power adapter. We will connect it to a socket and then turn on the projector using the power button located right here. And there you go. You can now see the Magcubic logo projected onto the wall. As you can see, I'm adjusting the size of the projector image because this projector can display anywhere from 80 inches to 130 inches. So the optimal size really depends on your viewing preferences and room setup. So for this demonstration, I first tested it in a completely dark room with no light sources. In this condition, the image was pretty sharp and clear. Personally, I found that projecting it at the maximum size made a little bit blurry. So for me, a slightly smaller size worked better. I also tried it in a dimly lit room, roughly around 50% ambient light, so you could see how it performs under those conditions. Then I tested it with 100% light, meaning I turned on all the lights in my room while I could still faintly see the projection in the bright light. And for me, this projector truly shines in a dark room. That's where you really appreciate its sharpness and the clarity of the resolution. Now let's navigate through the system. As you can see, there's Netflix, YouTube, and an app store, and also Wi-Fi connectivity. You can easily connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. There are many available connections here. And next, you will see all the pre-installed apps on the projector. There's YouTube, and I believe the Google Play Store is also available. You can sign in into your Google account and link it. The Google Play Store offers a tons of recommended apps that you can download, including UFC and many other that I'm not familiar with. There are also YouTube apps and even games. You can play games directly on the projector, though it only recommended 6 here. So I downloaded Beach Buggy Racing to see how gaming works on this projector for the first time. And as you can hear, I'm using the built-in speaker, which is Projector's has, and I'm navigating the game with a remote control. It was really fun. The sharpness of the games was excellent, and the clarity allowed me to distinguish the blacks and whites in the resolutions clearly. It was very responsive and truly cool. Now I'm using my Bluetooth keyboard to navigate these games. If you have an extra keyboard at home, you can use it as well. It will work with your projector. It was genuinely fun, and your kids are going to love this projector if you buy it. Now I'm testing the video quality of the projector. I'm watching a Mr. Beast YouTube video because their content is known for its super high resolution, often recorded in 4K. And for those who don't know, the native resolution of this projector is 720p. So while I'm playing a Mr. Beast video that is in 4K resolution, the projector will downscale that quality to 720p, as that it's a native output. However, it can technically support 4K input, and therefore, you shouldn't expect the ultimate in clarity and sharpness from the video but the quality is still very acceptable. Here I'm going to open the Office suite. This is very similar to Microsoft Word. You can open a Word file and work on your documents, which is especially useful if you're in business and need to present a project to clients or your boss. For that reason, I think this projector is excellent for presentations. And here I'm testing the text display by typing something. I can resize the font from smaller to larger. And as you can see, the text remains very clear on the projector. This clarity makes it very suitable for business professionals or students who need to give presentation. And a great feature is that the projector can rotate 180 degrees. This means you can project it onto your wall or even your ceiling, whatever suits your needs. So that's my complete review and unboxing of this mini projector. If you're interested and if you want to grab one, the link is down in the description, and catch you in the next one. Peace out, everybody.